Let's see. Stef. Okay. Waiting, guys. This is a keyframe 4 seconds that's currently keyframe on nervous and current keyframe frequencies. Note that the engagement can cause and correct GOP, group of picture size. Let's go live. So welcome guys, my name is Stef and sorry about the delay. I hope you like and share this video. Currently it's very interesting time for Bitcoin and the altcoin markets. So Bitcoin broke some key support, which was 6,500, and this is very bearish and concerning for crypto. So the plunge is very big, but there is hope. So Bitcoin must first do a consolidation pattern, something like this, where we have low volatility. Right now the volatility is very high and you don't want to buy when volatility is very high. So that's how the crypto market is. We can use the pitchforks, which are your best friend for trend. So you put the from here and go from here. See, this is a normal pitchfork. Let's use shift pitchfork. Shift pitchfork. Let's see what's the problem. Okay. So currently we have a takeout moment of Bitcoin. So we had a clear break of the range high and then a clear dump. So right now it's retesting this lower support, and it's okay. The buyers are stepping in. The 200 EMA is here, but Bitcoin has triple bearish MACD divergence because this is Binance. It doesn't show, and it has broken this RSI support. So that's very bearish. So your best plan is to short Bitcoin, not to long it. And my plan for this is to short this 6,500 and 6,800, and probably going to buy somewhere here in this place. And if you use the Fibonacci line, Fibonacci retracement tool from here to here, that's very probable zone, like 5,450. So yeah, plus or minus, here is the bottom for right now. The volume is very high, it's not as high as this, so maybe there will be some relief rally to 6,800, and then probably it will dump some more. So these are the levels to watch. 5,400, let's put the 0.86. So I had some thoughts about this triple MACD bearish divergence. So people were very bullish on this rally, and I was sucked in this bull trap. So based on this, let's put an 886 06. So 0886 is at 4,300. So, and if you use that pattern, we have some kind of bet forming. So we have this bet pattern, maybe this. If you're a harmonic pattern trader, this is the probable next zone to buy for this bullish bet, bullish cipher, bullish bet. So if this holds, this is a bullish cipher. If it doesn't hold, then we can expect lower prices for Bitcoin. Another coin to watch right now. Let's see who are the winners. So today's winners is FTT BTC. So FTT BTC is currently on parabolic rise. On daily, you have clearly 1, 2. So this is the third wave of this zone. So you go to the trend-based dip extension, and probably your next target for this FTT token is somewhere here. Where is that? 4732. And that's what I'm thinking about FTT token. Let's see ETH USD. So ETH USDT, you always go on the weekly level. So ETH USDT currently below the Bollinger Band, which is bearish, and probably it's going to retest this zone, which is $153, where is a great time to short. This is not a moment to be a buyer. The moment to be a buyer is when you want to see a breakout of price that's more secure. Like if you bought this candle, we will have like 70%, and that's how you trade. You don't catch the bottoms. When you catch the bottoms, there is so much. So let's see the how if this token. So this token is was like dumped very hard. So if the safe TM token. So catching this is like catching a falling knife is very hard, and currently this is a very shitty spot to buy. So you don't know where the bottom is for this. You can speculate by using the trend base extensions. So your probably next target is 338 Satoshi for this, and if you speculate by this, you want to see a target of this middle Bollinger line. Yeah, you can, if you want to take risk, yeah, 120% okay, but look how much is in deep trouble this shitcoin. And let's see other coins. Binance. Let's see Bull token. Bull USDT. So this is interesting token. It's leveraged, and you will every increase in price is 3% here. 1% of increase in price is 3% here. They didn't. Um, so, any questions? Questions? Sorry, that's bye. So, yeah, currently I bought this coin, this ETH bull, no ETH bull, but this bull token, and have bought some BTC here. But as I said, here it's not a time to be a buyer. Want me to see what's 5? So my plan is to wait to of change of trend. I don't catch bottoms, even though if we go on the Coinbase chart, Coinbase Pro, BTC, USDT, weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, so this is the zone 2 for BTC Coinbase. Yeah, this is very important. 5,800, which was the this the sideways then in a bear market. So if this price broken, yeah, that's very shitty for the Bitcoin. So yeah, let's see on the USD pairs which are winners. So on the USD pairs, ETH pair, BNB bear, US bear, USD, XRP bear. I don't know what USD DIY, maybe the Turkish lira, and yeah. So let's see what's next for portfolio management. So for portfolio management, I use this HyperTrader, and I sold everything at 7,600, which was a major pivot point for me on BTC USDT. BTC USDT I sold at 7,600, which was very important. As you can see, this was a very crucial zone for the bull market, and that's very important now to now it's very important to hold 5,500. After that, I'm not interested. So here's your level 5,000, 5,400 and something. 5,400 to 5,000 is probably a reversal zone, but I'm not buying. You have a fake out and a dump, so that's very intuitive to for continuation to the downside, then to the upside, and that's how I plan for portfolio management. So what I have learned, I made so much profit in this uptrend, and then when the BTC pairs plunge, you you got shitty. You have profit, but look, from here to here you have a plunge of 40%. So my next logical thing is to sell this portion of the tokens which they own and manage, and that's how I want to manage. 70% will be managed by USDT right now, and 30% in other tokens like BTC and BTC pairs, and that's how I plan to continue in the foreseeable future. So for portfolio management, if you want to ask me, please ask me in private message. I will explain you everything. How much is the investment? I use HyperTrader, which is very great for trading, and that's for it's a very great software. If you want to use my referral code, here is your referral code. You will get 20 off, and that's how I use HyperTrader. Let's share on Twitter. Yeah, because this Twitter. Five. Correct. So HyperTrader. So I shared. So if you like the stream, please share with your friends. And what is this group of picture? 4 seconds. Reward your news. Stop. Publisher. So that's how you trade the markets. Not a buyer here. If your risk is higher than mine, then yeah, that's your problem. Chart talk. Let's see what's Bitcoin doing on the 4 hour. It's plunging in RSI like never seen before, so probably your next support line of it's this zone. So on the 4 hour it has like so much more to dump, and it has never been so much oversold on the 4 hour. On the daily you have like clearly bearish, they're clearly to the downside. So my current plan is more downside than the upside. So if you go something like this, it was a clear short, so we have a section here. That's how I see the crypto markets. Crypto markets are very shitty right now. Let's see on the 5 minutes. Clear for demand zone. As I said, 6,700 is your zone for selling. If we go above that, then it's probably a great zone to be. Wait. Bend. Let's see bend. What it's doing. So currently Doge is your only coin that is pumping. Doge BTC. And I show market. Show trades. Yeah. So show trade price. So this is a 40% gain. And I have traded this Dogecoin. Someone bought this Dogecoin. Feel the shepherd in you. So there is no there is nothing to worry about and panic in the crypto markets. This is a clear dump, but yeah, Bitcoin will live if you don't, if you want to see more from Bitcoin, then use it. Right now it's not used, only for speculation. And let's see the other coins. ETH, who is buying this shit? So yeah, I see why people are buying. Okay. So currently your best plan is to be in cash. I will not be the one, be the one, be the one. I can be the one. One engagement. So people are. So yeah, people wanted to know of shorts and longs. Okay. So shorts and longs. Shorts are when you want to buy something, when you want to sell something, and you bet that the price will plunge. So if you short it from here to here, you will make, dependent on leverage, 54% gain. So you borrow money from the exchange and then you sell and you buy when you're profitable. Currently, you can short on Binance, you can short on FTX, on BitMEX, on every other derivative exchange where it offers margin. You can also scalp on 5 minutes. You're more like, I don't know. So clear break, have a clear break of ETH, BTC. Who is buying? I don't know, but ETH, BTC is plunging like there is no tomorrow. Up. And longs are when you want to buy an asset and you borrow the the asset or the crypto, no, the crypto, the how was it? The security, the stock or stocks, crypto. So you borrow money from the exchange and you bet that the price is going up. So yeah, that's how it works for crypto. The Binance and there is a great explanation on Investopedia. So you go in Investopedia, Investopedia short, and short explanation. Short selling, short position. A short or shorter position is created when a trader sells a security first with the intention of repurchasing it or covering it later at lower price. A trader may decide to short a security when she believes that the price of securities is likely to decrease in the near future. There are two types of short position: naked and covered. A naked short is when a trader sells a security without having possession of it. Covered, that practice is illegal in the US for equities. A covered short is when a trader borrows the shares from a stock loan department. In return, the trader pays a borrow rate during the time for a short position. So you borrow Ethereum when you say that this was a clear short, the Bollinger Bank broke, you shorted here, and you're in profit. Like, you use this tool, 47%. And that's how short selling works. You borrow the crypto, and then you buy it, you sell the crypto and you buy it at a lower price. Long is you buy at a lower price and sell at, you borrow the crypto and you sell at a higher price. That's how short and long functions. Explanation of using Drakdoo and HyperTrader. So Drakdoo, people wanted to know how to use Drakdoo. Okay. Let's first open the Drakdoo app. Windows capture from Crypto Stef Streamlab desktop. So I'll put somewhere here. I'll first, okay, I'll put, then I'll minimize. So how to use Drakdoo. Drakdoo is an application used in Android. So you use it for alerts. I use it for candlestick patterns on the daily 4-hour color change. I can actually color change, RSI divergence, Ichimoku cloud. So you can add this application is very handy for a trader. It's a must if you want to master the trading. It doesn't give you trading advice. It gives you if the price is overbought, oversold. It has the sequential system. It has the money flow index. It has RSI. It has inside bar. It has Ichimoku cloud crossover, divergences, directional moving index, Bollinger bands, and you can make your own indicator. You can combine many indicators into one, and you can use it for your own. Also, you can, as you can see, I have my own indicators based on some some price action which I saw, and that's how I use the this type of trading. And Drakdoo is very interesting. I use it every day. I use it to trade. You can go to the Play Store. I use an emulator, and that's how I use it for trading. And that's for Drakdoo. Basically, it's a system where the alerts, you can also have alerts, so you have like pair divergence. So here's my price for selling the top of this bear USDT. There is some kind of buy the dip, and you can see where the candles are located. So these dots represents where the alert happened. The only thing I don't like is the interface, which is very, I don't know, I don't like it. Very dark, you cannot change it, and that's not very good. But there are so many indicators here, like you have moving averages, you have Bollinger Bands, Divergence, Fibonacci, PSAR, Supertrend, VPR, Shimoku, it is sequential, so you can put it sequential off if you like only if you like it. You have CCI, you have ATR, you have awesome oscillator, stochastic RSI MACD, and so much more. Like rate of change, I don't need rate of change. I don't know why I haven't seen this, but it has VPVR, so VPVR gives you where it's a great price. Where is the price is more where the price is at the lowest rate, and here where is the lowest volume, it's a great price to buy. And when the price is on here somewhere where there is a low volume node, it's also time to buy and to sell. So if you bought somewhere here, so here is your where some of the trades are very happened in Drakdoo. And you can see there is also MFI plus RSI crossover, and that's it. That's how I use. Let's see on the 4 hour. I test my indicators, my alerts every time. So yeah, as you can see, it gave you advice to buy here, but I gave you advice here. But you have to see that in a downtrend you have not so much options. You want to see the price move about on the 15 minutes above the 200 EMA. Let's see some ERD. What ERD doing? ERD lower low. If the developer makes something like to trade on his platform, it will be more popular then. But that's his take on this. Let's put RSI. Let's and put MFI. I did. Okay. So currently MFI sold on this coin. And that's how my alerts work. If you want, you can also put the Telegram. You can use Telegram, which is this Telegram. Drag the users, and that's how you use Drakdoo. Basically, use it for alerts, nothing else. You cannot trade, and for trading, you can use let's HyperTrader. Let's see. Oh, and that's how you use Drakdoo HyperTrader. They plan to put many things in the future, and that's great if you want to trade with HyperTrader. You have multiple portfolio management, you have crypto scanner, you have on the technical indicators select market, and you can use something like USDT search pair, and then you can scroll which is the most losers and which are the winners. Right now ETH bear is the winner, BNB bear, and I'll put only tokens like this XRP bear tokens right now, and that's what I will trade. But I'm thinking that probably there will be some oversold bounce, so this was a very deep candle. So you want to see the dumps to be lower. What I mean by that? So you have a dump here, dump, lower dump, lower dump. The dumps are lower and your indicator is not very oversold. You have here oversold and you have a bullish divergence, the daily. And that's your pie. So here's your pie zone based on MFI. MFI sometimes is more good than the other side, but sometimes it's very bad. So here your MFI gave you a warning signal. So if you know how to use MFI and RSI, that's very good. So right now the price is probably plunging. So yeah, FTT. Let's rate FTT. 4 hour. Okay, 4 hour. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Horizontal ray. Okay, you have the resistance line. You have this support line. Another support line. And let's see. On 5 minutes, you have an oversold bounce. And oversold bounces are great. So for this, 3%. And how do you want to trade this? See, and was broken, have like percent. I'm a breakout trader. Let's see what. Okay, I put the alerts. Okay, extreme fear. So there is extreme fear in the market. CBOE 5-day average put call. Let's see what the top traders on Binance shares pairs. Let's see Binance open interest. Okay, fund. So short long ratio, short 40%, top traders. Still long. Int period. Let's see daily. So what happened at the 12th of March? 12th of March. Right. Price. Right. So this is not valid anymore. Let's remove all the drawing code. And what happened on 12th of March? Well, short account. Daily. Let's see daily. Wow. Longs will be squeezed. So much longs. Short account. Wow. Longs. Top traders. So top traders are long. Why? Why? Long shortage. This is my first time. Long short ratio. Wow. Top traders long. BTC dumping. Fear and greed. Extreme fear. So Kidding you. What happened to the stock market? Okay. Wow. 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 I haven't seen 2 months. Two candles. When was the two candles? Two big red candles in 2 months. Wow. But you have a triple magnification. So yeah, horizontal, no. Yeah. Pitchfork is great for market plunge. Okay. Just a bit. Error. I don't know what's. Okay. Oh, the dump. If is it the dump happening? The dump. Oh, the dump is happening again. This is a high volume. How much was sold? 3.1. Wow. Yeah.